As we stepped off the plane in Paro just over 1 week ago, my father exclaimed that we were breathing rarefied air. In a literal sense, it was fresh, clean mountain oxygen, while in a figurative sense, I took this to mean that together we were about to embark on an adventure in a destination that few would ever visit. In both senses, my dad was correct, but it wasn't until this afternoon when, together with our small support crew, we crested Chelela Pass, Bhutan's highest motorable road at 3,988 meters, that his statement truly resonated with me. Over the past 9 days, we've been deeply fortunate to witness this mystical nation on motorcycles, to visit so many beautiful places, to meet so many interesting people, and to have so many truly unique and unforgettable experiences. This was a dream trip for me and my family, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to breathe together the rarefied air of the land of the Thunder Dragon. But more importantly, it was a chance to do this together as father and sons. Kadrin Chelela, Bhutan. Thank you, Bhutan. Guys from the other? Yes.
We're over 12,000 feet at the Chelela Pass in Bhutan. We're actually above the tree line, which is 12,000 feet, according to our captain. It's a beautiful day here. Just, I'm not sure, it's about 12:30 or so, I think. Cold. Guess about 5 degrees probably. We're all dressed for the cool riding. We've been riding up from Ha for about 45 minutes, I guess. Going fairly slow just because of the switchbacks on the way up here. Anyway, this has just been an amazing trip. I can't say I've ever experienced anything quite like this in my 71 years, so we appreciate all your efforts, Scotty, in putting this trip together.
I say nam le busala so